who pleaded guilty in a deadly hit-and-run crash 3 years ago in Fort Myers was back in court for another driving offense, this time in Collier County. 20-year-old Yariza Herrera was cited this past June for driving on a revoked license 3 years after admitting to running a red light and smashing into 27-year-old Evan Shepard, who was killed in that crash. 4 in Your Corner's Carl Fortier was in the courtroom today and spoke with Shepard's family as they continue to seek justice in this case. Carl?
Well, Yariza Herrera was 17 when she was sentenced with probation for causing the crash that killed Evan Shepard and then leaving the scene. Shepard's sister tells me that by continuing to rack up driving offenses, she believes Herrera is showing a lack of remorse for her brother. It's been almost 4 years since Yariza Herrera ran a red light on MLK Boulevard in Fort Myers and slammed into a car driven by 27-year-old Evan Shepard. Shepard was killed in the crash, but it was 8 months before Herrera, who was a teenager then, was arrested. She avoided jail time, but her license was revoked for 3 years. That was still in effect when Herrera, who is now 20, was pulled over in Collier County this past June.
I feel that she doesn't respect my brother's death by doing that, because that was one of the things that she agreed to, was not getting behind the wheel of a car. If she would have stayed on scene and told the truth, the outcome would have been completely different than what is going on today.
Evan Shepard's family was in court Tuesday when Herrera faced a judge on the new charge of driving with a revoked license. Evan's sister Lauren Harkin says she feels obligated to see the case through.
Because God forbid something else happens to somebody else, I would feel so guilty that I haven't taken every step to voice my opinion throughout the process.
The judge agreed to postpone Herrera's case for a later date, saying the case needs further review.
She has rights throughout this process. She is in a situation where she's going to lose more rights, and my family has nothing else to lose.
Yariza Herrera's next court date is set for October 19th. In Collier County, Carl Fortier, Fox 4, in your corner.